Once you have all of your supplies, let's get started. Add pink Moscato to clear epoxy and pour over your mold. Get the epoxy to harden, and it doesn't have to be dry. While that's setting, take your spider Coweb acetate and cut it to the shape of your mold. Now that the epoxy is a little bit hard, you can go ahead and put the acetate inside the mold and press it down so that it goes all the way around. Also, please note that when you pour your first layer, do a really thin layer. Enough that you can put your acetate down and another topper of glitter on top and you have enough space. I'm just pouring a small amount of epoxy, enough to pour the mold and top it. I'm embedding small little spiders and bats on this mold, so I'm just pouring a little bit of clear epoxy so that it'll hold it in place. I am pouring Spellbound and mixing that with the epoxy, and then Ichabod, and that's Dragon Martini. I'm just going to pour all of the glitter and top the hair clips. Once you're done pouring, let it cure overnight, about 24 hours. Now this is my favorite part. It's to unmold, and we get to see how cool all of the pieces come out. The Coweb acetate that I use is from Paperhouse Productions. How cool did these come out? So good, right? Alright, now it's time to put the hair clips in the back. I purchased these hair clips from Amazon, and they came in a pack with all 3 different styles, which works out because I feel like the different clips work better with the style of the mold. I'm using Gorilla Glue adhesive to stick on the hair clips onto the resin piece. Let it dry for a few hours, and once it's dry, you're ready to use it. Here's what the finished products look like. All of the different colors. It's so fun, awesome for Halloween.